Last night's debate was the most tweeted political event in history, with the general consensus seeming to be that Mitt Romney held his own. And the internet exploded in particular when he boldly stared into the eyes of moderator and veteran PBS anchor Jim Lehrer and told him that PBS won't be receiving any money from Papa Mitt if he's running the federal business.
I'm sorry, Jim, I'm going to stop the subsidy to PBS.
After conceding that he does love Big Bird.
Because I like PBS, I love Big Bird, I actually like you too. But I'm not going to keep on spending money on things to borrow money from China to pay for.
Immediately, 17,000 tweets per minute on Big Bird, an 800,000% increase in mention of Big Bird on Facebook, and 3 new Twitter accounts were instantly created, the most popular of which accrued upwards of 27,000 followers, victimizing Big Birds with gems like this one. Look what Mitt Romney has done to me. If Mitt Romney wins, this could be me. And even Ernie is mad. Do you see what happened here? Mitt Romney unintentionally became internet relevant because while making his point, he got a little weird. In the meantime, Fire Big Bird's Twitter account was suspended. Shit just got real. Sex offenders down in Simi Valley, California are angry because the city passed a law barring registered